Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Venmo login not working. First of all, check your network. Make sure you are on a stable network, and also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, restart your iPhone. After restarting, head over to your app store, search for the Venmo app, and then update it to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause you crashing and it will not make your login work. After updating, your app will remove all the bugs, and then it will also download the latest version, so make sure to update it. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy that you're using. At last, log in through Venmo.com. If nothing works, go to your Safari, search for Venmo.com, and then log in over there. Safety tip: avoid logging in on multiple devices at once. Quick fix: reinstall the Venmo app, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.